personally think that headband wigs are being played out here on YouTube. Y'all playing this shit out like a played out song, and I'm just like, But with that being said, I did not know this, but I was told that there's a lace shortage because of COVID. So that's why, you know, these companies are trying to produce these headband wigs, because there's basically no more lace, because I guess because of COVID. So we're gonna have to just deal with these headband wigs, because yeah. So today's hair was sent by WigginsHair. I got a wig, a headband wig in the color 9JG. I'll post it on the screen. I don't want to mess it up. They sent me so much goodies, y'all. They sent me some scarves. This is giving me Hermes, okay? Hold on. Then they also sent, wow. This is giving me 90s. They sent me so many headbands. And they also sent this style, which is giving me African. This is definitely giving me African, giving me Burna Boy tees. Oh my God, they sent me so much stuff, you guys. They also sent me, wow. What is this? Oh, they also sent me this pearl headband. They're so generous, y'all. Like, you never know what print you're gonna get when you order headband wigs from them. You never know what print you're gonna get. Oh, this is giving me schoolgirl. And then they also sent me some lashes. Usually, y'all, when companies send me lashes, they be looking like they're from the dollar store. And but these are actually 3D mink lashes. Like, these are actually really nice. Anyways, thank you so much, WigginsHair, for sending me all this stuff. Y'all did not have to. I don't know if y'all know it's my birthday coming up or what, but thank you guys so much. Then here we have the headband wig. This is in a burgundy. A light burgundy. Oh my God, that's why I did my makeup like this. Comment down below if you like my makeup. This is in a light burgundy color. Wow, I will leave all the details of this wig down below. Wow. Look at this pattern, y'all. Get into this pattern. This is fresh out of how they sent it to me. I didn't run my fingers through it or anything. I will run my fingers through it, but this is absolutely gorgeous. And it smells like a wig, like every other wig people send. So what makes WigginsHair kind of like different is the last headband wig that I received from a different company did not have these clips here, y'all. They got so many clips. They're really trying to make sure this is secure for you. So 1, 2, 3. Then we also got 2 in the neck area, well, nape, neck, whatever you want to call it. I'm very nervous because my hair is not burgundy, so I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but let's see. Let's put it on. Let's see. Okay, y'all. So being that my hair is black, this is not gonna work. I think I'm gonna have to hide my edges. But as y'all can see, I got a big ass head, so I don't really know how this is gonna play out. But let's see. Let's see what I can jig and finesse. Ooh, these combs is tight. So when you purchase a headband wig from Wiggins, your headband wig will come with Velcro at the end, and then Velcro at the other end. You guys can see? I hope you guys can see. Oh my God. And you attach it in the back. Turn around so you guys can see. So if your hair is burgundy, then of course you can do it the normal way where you have your edges out. But if you got black hair like the rest of us, or brown hair like the rest of us, child, this ain't gonna work for you. This is actually very nice. If you guys see the pattern, oh my God.
Yeah. Baby, come and talk to me. You're the sea. Tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. soul, classic R&B. We don't need no plan B, but to have a family. Sounding like a Grammy every time you speak. Make me wanna sing. It make me wanna sing. So passionate like Jackson, 5 heartbeats, temptation. Girl, don't keep me waiting. I love you, that's Cupid. That's Soul Child with the music. You my boo, that's Alicia. I told you I need you, that's Jazz. And baby girl, you bad. So won't you come in? Talk to me. You're the Z. Tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Yeah. Music for my soul, classic R&B.
I see, baby, cool with it. Drowning in your love, like a pool with it. Way below the surface, bag. In the things, now you see the inner bag. Never sweat, no. Baby, come and talk to me. Walk with me, show them how it ought to be. Hey, yeah, bring your love back like we order. Yeah, never seen a real, we gon' show them.
Baby, come and talk to me. You're the Z. Tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. Talk to me. You're the Z. Tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. Talk to me.
Let me know what's on your mind. Let me hold you down, I promise there's a future if you grind with me. Crazy and love like J&B, it feels good when you say my name. Make me wanna rock the boat, I ain't tryna float, I'm tryna drown, wanna go deep. Never been a scrub, boy, creep. Ain't no ordinary love, I peep, I keep it on the low. Cause no one really gotta know what we got going on. I'm selfish, I want you all the time. All to myself, no mic jet, but you know the girl is.
Okay, you guys, so look, as y'all can see, ew, what the fuck is on my hand? As y'all can see, I tried my absolute best with this wig. I'm gonna be honest, I would be 100% in love with this wig if it started black and then like ombre into burgundy. That would be stunning, that would be gorgeous. The only thing that would make me a little hesitant to want to like run and go outside is I wouldn't want anybody look at my wig and be like, okay, her edges is black, the beginning of her hair is black, and then it turns burgundy. At what point does that shit transition into burgundy? If that makes any sense to you guys. But I do love this hair. I love the texture. I love the pattern. I don't know how much it costs. I can't lie to y'all. I'll post it on the screen. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to do that. Let's see how much this hair costs. My camera's about to die, but let's see how much this hair costs because... You guys, so this wig is available from 10 inches to 30 inches. I have in the 24-inch and I have it in the style deep wave. They have so many waves. Let me show y'all what they have. This wig is available in straight, body wave, loose, deep. Damn, I should have asked for that. Deep wave, natural wave, curly, kinky straight, or coily. And I have it in the color light 99J. There is a darker color that will probably match my edges better, but I really wanted the light color. So this wig, 24 inches deep wave, costs $263. It also comes with free headbands. I personally think this hair is 100% worth the $263. If I tell y'all how much I just paid for my birthday wig, y'all would unsubscribe because I paid a lot of money for my birthday wig. So I like this wig. This wig is so versatile, y'all. It's good for students. You going to school, you throw the wig on, Netflix and chill, run into the corner store. I already told you guys, it's literally like the perfect wig for a lazy girl, which is me. I'm lazy, so this is the perfect wig for that. This is absolutely gorgeous. Like, I am absolutely in love with this wig. But yeah, thank you so much to WigginsHair for sending me this hair and all these beautiful free headbands and free lashes. Thank you guys so much. I am 100% grateful for the opportunity. And if you got this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all you guys' continuous support. But yeah, I 100% suggest y'all go cop this wig. The link will be down below in the description bar. Y'all know I don't recommend a lot, but I definitely do recommend this wig. This wig is gorgeous, y'all. Like, comment down below if you guys like this wig. Like, don't even front. If you don't like it, you can say you don't like it. I just caught a little snack. If you don't like it, say you don't like it. But if you do, sis, get it? Oh, bitch. Anywho, that is it for today's video. I love you guys, and I will see y'all in my next video.